welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today, we're creating a calm, simple daily notes workflow in Obsidian, a gentle space for your thoughts, tasks, and quiet little moments of the day. No pressure, no overwhelm, just a soft place you can return to. Daily notes give you something rare, a fresh page every morning, a small grounding pause before everything begins. Not a journal, not a strict planner, more like a soft home for your mind. Clarity instead of noise, presence instead of speed. And now, let's take the first step. Enable the Daily Notes plugin. One click, and every day opens as a clean slate, a small anchor for your morning. From here, things get even simpler. Let's build a structure you'll actually enjoy returning to. A Today section for focus. A few gentle tasks. A soft place for notes, small highlights, and a quiet evening reflection. One idea per line, one calm moment at a time. Turn this into a template. Set it up once, and every morning begins with familiar calm. Now, the heart of the page. Start with one intention, just one sentence that reminds you what truly matters today. Then, 3 important steps. Not everything you could do, just what deserves your energy. A small step, but a deeply helpful one. Below, keep a minimal task list. Let this page hold only what needs your presence right now. Nothing more. In the notes section, let your mind breathe. Thoughts, ideas, tiny observations, anything that appears during the day. Keep this space open, flexible, kind. Add a gentle highlight section, a tiny win, a warm moment, a thought you want to remember. These little things mean more than we think. And in the evening, end your day gently. 2 or 3 simple questions, a quiet reflection, a soft closing of the loop. When something matters, link it. Daily notes grow stronger when they connect to ideas, projects, or learning. These small links create a living network of your days. Here's how it looks in real time. A morning intention. one small task. A thought you don't want to lose. A highlight that brought you joy. An evening reflection that softens the whole day. Nothing dramatic, just calm support that blends into your rhythm. Let's keep it simple, one clear structure. Gentle priorities. Space to think. A soft routine you can return to. This is what keeps your system alive. If this brought you a moment of calm, feel free to like and subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.